2019 Ford Mustang 5.0 Coyote motor. Beautiful red with black wheels. This is just the start of the process. It's got the original catalytic converter. It's got less than 1,000 miles on it. Got an X pipe. And then there was a resonator delete. And then straight back 2 1/4 all the way back. And then we did a muffler delete on both sides. And the mufflers that were on it were Steedas. We took them off and we left the Steeda tips because they look really nice on it. Just gives it a nice look. But everything else has been deleted other than the catalytic converters. And the X pipe has been put in to equalize exhaust scavenge. Let us know what you guys think in the comments, how it sounds. I think it'll sound badass. We'll see. 2019 GT 5.0 Coyote motor, straight pipe. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Hold on, let me take the tag off. Okay. Go grab that tag. Absolutely beautiful car. There's more modifications to come.